Did you know that the potato is the fourth largest food crop globally, producing over 360 million metric tons annually and contributing over $3 to $6 billion to the global economy? Potatoes are widely cultivated as a staple food crop and are one of the world's leading food crops, providing important sources of carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals to many people. However, the potato industry faces challenges such as disease, pest outbreaks, soil degradation, and climate change, leading to crop losses and economic harm. Potato plant diseases, such as late blight and viruses, can cause significant losses to the global potato crop, estimated at 20 to 40% annually, or $3 to $6 billion. Tiny machine learning can be used to identify potato plant diseases with high accuracy, as demonstrated by studies achieving 95% accuracy in diagnosing late blight, compared to 85% accuracy by human experts. International Potato Center, late blight, one of the most damaging potato plant diseases, causes an average loss of 20 to 40% of the global potato crop each year. AITS engineers have developed a low-code platform with templates to detect potato disease using AI computer vision techniques and machine learning algorithms. This involves training a model on a dataset of images of different types of potato leaves and then using this model to classify new images of potato leaf objects. The model can be trained using various techniques such as convolutional neural networks or transfer learning with pre-trained deep learning models with an accuracy of over 90%. The tiny deep learning model is easily created by collecting pictures and potato leaves and plants in a dataset on a TinyML platform like cAInvas with pre-processing that includes normalization and augmentation, and training the model, resulting in an accurate model that is compiled with deepC. The resulting application is ported to a TinyML device connected with a camera that is mobile enough to run on batteries and with no internet connection in remote areas like farming, so you can easily carry it in your pocket to identify the potato plant disease yourself or help farming neighbors. Potato plant diseases, such as late blight, result in significant crop losses and economic harm, estimated at 20 to 40% of the global potato crop and $3 to $6 billion globally each year. A TinyML platform like cAInvas provides a solution for more accurate and efficient identification and diagnosis of potato plant diseases, leading to improved disease control and management. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.